this video finds everybody doing well. Wanted to come on here real quick and show off my little favorite pocket knife here. This was actually given to me by Roger, and it's become one of my favorites to carry. It's an Imperial made by Schrade, model number IMP22Y. And it's a little yaller handle Delrin sod buster. But it's made by Imperial there. Boy, ain't that thing pretty. And you just, unless you're holding it in person, you just can't appreciate the quality of that thing. It's so smooth and tight. And look at them liners. Overall length on this thing is about 6.5 inches. Blade length is 2 3/4 inches. Old slip joint. Weight on it's about 2.01 ounces. It's got the brass liners. Handle length on it is about 3 3/4 inches. Got a good satin finish. Nice drop point blade on that thing that won't quit. Blade length, like I say, is about 2 3/4 inches. And it's just a good little carry. It is a really good knife. And boys, look at the center on that blade there. It ain't off at all. I'm just tickled to death with that thing. And of all the pocket knives I got, this is what I grab usually on a daily basis to carry. It's just a good knife. It's a good looking knife, a good size. It'd be equivalent to Case's Sod Buster Jr. Been watching a lot of videos on the Sod Buster Jr. And a lot of folks are complaining about the blade being off center. Some of them coming with the tip of the blade broke off. They have to ground it flat. But boy, I tell you what, for the money, I think this thing was $12 out the door. And you just ain't going to get no better. As old Tony the Tiger says, it's a working knife for the working people. And it's the one I carry on a daily basis. It's just a good knife, like I say. Model number IMP22Y. Boy, that thing is just a beauty. Handsome little knife. Good little work knife there. Got the box here. Comes with the warning paper. And advertisement, of course. But man, for the money, you can't beat it. If you're curious about old Imperial, this would be the one I would suggest you go out and get. This would help make your mind up for sure. They're a good knife. I like them Rough Riders too, but don't get me wrong. Man, this Imperial, 9 times out of 10, this is what's in my pocket every day. Good little knife. Good cutting knife, good using knife. Can't beat it. Folks, I hope you enjoyed this little short video. Just want to get on here and let y'all boys and girls know about this thing. If you ain't heard about it already, run out there and grab you one. I know you'll be glad you did. Appreciate you. Thanks for watching, liking, and subscribing to our channel. We'll have more antique picking videos coming soon. Hopefully we'll find some good knives. And appreciate you folks commenting. Love getting introduced to all of you, talking with you. Got a great community out there, and we're awful glad to be a part of it. We appreciate you. This is Old Doug.
We are the Hudson Brothers, and we are here today. We are hunting vintage pocket knives, so buddy, come what may. There's plenty out there to find. Let's see what we get our hands on this time. We're gonna have some fun, so come on, join along with the Hudson Brothers. The Hudson Brothers.